Hi creative friends, I'm Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit. So we recently got this package of goodies from Cricut with their new innovation, Infusible Inks. And this is our first time trying to use it. I'm going to use one of their blanks, which is this canvas tote, and we're going to print something fun and crafty on there with one of their printed or designed sheets. Welcome back to our channel. These new Infusible inks are a really cool product from Cricut. You may be used to, we've done a few projects on here where we've taken vinyl and ironed it onto surfaces. So this t-shirt I'm wearing, for example, is one of those. You can see Sonia designed this logo that says SMCH for Sustain My Craft Habit. She's doing the dance over there. And then we use the Cricut Easy Press and their vinyl to transfer it onto just this t-shirt we bought at the store. But the Infusible inks is a little bit different, that you use a similar process, and then when you press it onto your surface, such as your shirt, the ink really embeds into the fabric. It feels exactly like the shirt feels, and there aren't any ridges. So this is the latest innovation, and we got a bunch of products to sample. We're trying to figure this out right now. So Sonia's looking through the design space for a design that we can put on our tote bag. Right now Cricut has about 4 or 5 different surfaces that you can use that are compatible with the inks. So the tote bag is a nice size, 14 by 14, and they have these really nice white cotton t-shirts that you can put any design on. They have some ceramic coasters, as well as a square, I think they're paper-based coasters, and finally baby onesies, which we don't have here. And when you do the printing, you can either use their pre-printed papers, transfer sheets, and they come in all sorts of different designs. The ones that we got have this camel print, and another one has this really cute insect print, as well as a couple solid colors, including this gray-green color. So we're going to use this gray-green color. No, just this plain
like
green.
Khaki green.
A khaki green. I am corrected. This khaki green color.
Get with it, would you?
I'm never good with the colors. This khaki green, just a solid color to experiment with the tote bag. And then we'll come up with some other projects later. The second way you can do it is using their markers. So this is really cool. You can make any design that you'd like on standard laser copy paper using these markers, and then transfer that onto one of their surfaces. So we'll try that kind of in another future project. Okay, so let's get started with this one. For this project, we're going to use our Cricut Maker, the Infusible Ink pattern paper in the Jungle Safari pattern set, this butcher's paper which comes in the box, a lint roller, the canvas tote blank, as well as our Cricut Easy Press, the Design Space software. And we're using our standard grip mat. Yep. Shall we? Let's see how this came out.
It's not peeling.
That's okay. Yes. We're just peeling it off of the cutting mat. There we go. And there's the design cut out. It's hard to see. Okay, let's see now. You want to cut this out so that we can use the rest of this again?
Yeah, I think so.
Go. Okay, so it took a little bit of effort to peel the plastic part off, but we are getting it off slowly with some extra hands. Okay, so we've weeded out the areas, and we have it printed backwards, and now we're going to press it onto the tote.
Paper. And preheat. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Design. So it says remove butcher paper from top of tote bag.
She did?
Yes. So now we put this on where we want it.
Okay.
Cover with clean butcher paper.
It shouldn't have any steak on it.
No, shouldn't be your napkin. All right.
Okay.
Oh, we have to set the time to 40. Let's go.
Okay. Now what? You lift it up
Oh, should be slow.
slowly. That was fast. And let's see. Okay.
Oh, okay. So you're supposed to let it cool completely. So I would let it sit here for a little bit, I think. Although I do see, I don't know if you can see it on that side where it's lifted. The color's on there. I see the color.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
Okay, moment of truth.
Lifting it up.
Oh,
Oh, some of the
gorgeous. I don't know, was that intended to stay behind, or did we not press it evenly? I don't know.
I think it needs to be on.
A little bit longer?
Yeah. Should we try?
Can you line it back up exactly?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna take off the transfer paper and wow, look at the color. It's so saturated compared to the transfer sheet color before.
So it's not a
not
khaki
muted.
green, muted khaki green. Oh my gosh.
Not muted at all. It's very vibrant and it does match. Definitely a good match with what it shows on the box. So that's the good thing.
Good thing. I was actually surprised it was such a big mismatch, but it's not. It looks amazing.
Yeah, it looks so good. Okay, so you see.
So we did have a little bit of trouble when we tried to do it at 385.
Yeah, there were areas that were not fully printed in there or transferred. So there were a couple of blotches up here and here. So we adjusted the temperature. We went higher and we pressed it again. So
Yes. Beautiful. Hello,
nice.
beautiful.
Hello.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And for more nature-inspired DIY craft and home decor ideas, be sure to subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to see how those ceramic coasters turned out, stop by the blog where we're talking all about our girls' night out with Cricut Infusible Ink. Bye!